So, my dear friends, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your presence in this channel. In this video, I will be discussing on the definition of romantic relationship. What is romantic relationship? People have different ways they define it. For me, romantic relationship is a relationship whereby you are involved with the opposite sex and you continuously fund this relationship. And most of the time, men are the losers in this relationship because they have to keep on spending and funding this relationship for the relationship to be able to stand. Because if you cannot be able to fund it, you cannot be able to maintain it, then there's no need to be in a romantic relationship. That's what they used to say. There is no romance without finance. If you can't finance your relationship, especially romantic ones, then you are wasting your time. So that's why I don't like the fact that men think that women are materialistic or they feel they always attach value or monetary terms or monetary things to relationships. It is because of the way we have defined it, is the way we have put it to them. That's why they have accepted and they are growing up with it. So you can't tell me that you are dating a lady and you appreciate her for her beauty and you do a lot of crazy things with money and you think you are not programming the person to think or to believe that romantic relationship is all about money, it's money centered. Because there are things you need to spice it up. Romance, you have to go on a date, you have to do video calls, you have to appreciate, you have to send money to the person, to birthday wishes, a lot of things, maintenance. So there are things you do to make the romance feel that the vibes in the romance to be active and vibrant. So this money you are spending is what actually that is making the romance to continue to progress. If you don't spend at all in this romance, definitely you are just playing around. That's why most of the time ladies believe or accept that if their man don't have the money to fund their expenses and everything, then there's no need to be with them in that aspect. But there are some situations whereby, I'm not trying to generalize, there are situations whereby there's need for the opposite gender, the ladies in question, to put some considerations while they are trying to, gain something from this romantic relationship, because they feel they are the one who makes the relationship to be valuable, what they brings to the table, which is basically most of the time their body, in the case may be. Some bring ideas, some bring so many things, but in the aspect of romance, ladies felt that it's because of what their body can do to the men. So once this kind of thing, this kind of thinking makes them feel like if they don't give their body to men in this romantic aspect, then nothing, they can't gain anything from the romance. So in order for men to gain this their body, they now have to build them, tax them to pay in a lot of things. So if you can't pay, then there is no need for you to get romance. I don't know if this is not the perfect way of doing it. Romance should be a mutual thing because nobody is enjoying it more than the other. The male aspect, the female, both of them are enjoying it, because you are not trying to tell me that if I'm having sex with you, then you are the only one enjoying it. Both of us are enjoying it. But it's as a result of the orientation and the packaging we have used to define romance. That is why it is now becoming monetized. So if you don't give me sex, I won't give you money. If you don't give me money, I won't give you sex. So it has made a lot of things become so complex. That the center of every single relationship, whether romance or anything, even single friendship, you just started with somebody, there must be a condition for that relationship to stand, which is a very terrible thing in our society. So I'm looking forward to see a society whereby ladies will accept a guy, whether the person is willing to fund the relationship or not, accept the person and vibe together with the person and brainstorm on issues around, discuss on how to solve problems, together as friends. And then as they are progressing to that stage of romance, it mustn't have to be like you have to fund everything from beginning to the end. Since you also enjoying as a lady, there'll be some sacrifice you also have to give, so that nobody will feel that they are giving more in the relationship than the other. So thank you very much and God bless you. Looking forward to the next video.